Hello Biotechnicans. On popular demand and regular requests of our several members, we are pleased to announce our next batch for CRISPR Basic and Advanced Certification for you all. We are happy to announce that Biotechnica is launching CRISPR Basics and CRISPR Advanced Certification courses in conjunction with CSIR Net Coaching. Our next batch for CRISPR certification will be starting on 25th of Jan 2019, and those students who will be enrolling before or on 24th of January 2019 will be getting free certification for CRISPR. So what is CRISPR, you ask? CRISPR is the technology which has the potential to change the world in which we live in. This is the biggest boom biotech sector has seen so far. So what is it, and why is the scientific community is showing so much of interest in this technology? Starting with the basics, we will explain you that how this technology harnesses an ancient defense system which will impact the world around us. CSIR Net next batch starts on 21st of January 2019, and CRISPR Basics Certification Course starts on 25th of January 2019. So those who are willing to stand at the frontiers of science and technology, and those who want to open the new frontiers in their career must not waste time and should enroll for this certification. Those who will enroll for this certification will get hard copy of this certification, and they will also get a chance to enroll for CRISPR advanced courses as well. Have any queries? Then you can call us at 1800-200-3757 or 08050999700, or you can chat with our experts via chat. Please note, we have limited seats for this certification as well as online coaching for CSIR Net. So candidates willing to enroll must block their seats early. Biotechnica will not be responsible for any last minute cancellations because of lack of seats. And I repeat that this certification will be free of cost if you will enroll for 12-month coaching. So what are you waiting for? Dial on the numbers given on your screen now.
Should you have any questions, please comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to Biotechnica's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with latest in BT sector.